today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tables in Miro. By the end, you'll be able to add a clean, usable table to your board, optionally get a head start with AI, and fill it out with the right details so it's clear and actionable. Start by heading to your Miro board. Open the board where you want the table to live and give yourself a little space to work. It helps to zoom to a comfortable level and pans to an open area so your table isn't colliding with existing content. This makes it easier to organize later. Next, look for the plus icon on the toolbar. This opens the content menu where you can add new elements to your board. Clicking the plus icon reveals a range of options. You're looking for the section dedicated to structured content. From there, go to Tables. Selecting Tables will let you insert a basic grid onto your board. Place it where you want, and it will drop in as a neatly formatted structure you can immediately start using. If you already know how many columns and rows you prefer, you can adjust that right away by dragging the edges. But don't worry, you can always add or remove rows and columns later. At this point, you can choose whether to use AI to help you with the table or build it manually. If you use AI, provide a short, clear description of what you need, such as the purpose of the table and the column headings. AI can generate a starter layout that you can then refine. If you choose not to use AI, you'll still have a blank table ready for your custom headers and entries. Either approach works. Go with the one that saves you the most time. Now edit your table by filling in the important details. Start with a clear title so anyone viewing the board understands what the table represents at a glance. If helpful, add a short description nearby to explain how to read or update the table, who it's for, or what the statuses mean. Enter your column headers, such as categories, owners, dates, or priorities, and then add your rows of content. Keep labels consistent and concise so the table stays easy to scan. Take a moment to format for clarity. Resize columns for readability. Use subtle colors to highlight headers or statuses and align the table with surrounding content. The goal is a clean, legible structure that supports your workflow. And that's it. You've opened your board, added a table through the plus icon and tables, optionally used AI for a jump start, and finished by titling, describing, and filling out the details.